Hi, chipmunks. Black screens, cell phones down, earbuds out. I just had to say it one more time. Anyways, I just want to let you know that we are going to be meeting on Wednesday, April 22nd from noon until 12:45 for our class. And you'll notice on the screen that I do have the link for Google Meet set up for you there. You should be able to just click on this link. If not, just copy and highlight from the HTTPS, which is right here, over to this area, and then just copy and paste it into the URL on the internet, and you should be able to get through to us at Google Meet. Otherwise, if you're going to join by phone, go ahead and dial up that number there, 1-484-424-6741, and you will need to enter the PIN 202-813-595 and a hashtag. So for our very first meeting, we're just going to kind of check in with one another, see how things are going, and we are going to be taking turns responding to the questions that are listed below to allow everyone an opportunity to express how they're feeling at this time. Now more than ever, we need to respect and support each other. I want to start by saying that it's okay and it is normal to feel some anxiety right now. The questions below are the ones that we will be discussing. And then from 11:30 until 11:35, we're going to be going over the lessons that I will be providing for you over the next 7 weeks. And then from 11:35 to 11:45, we're going to end on a positive note. And I'd like everyone to share what is bringing you joy and peace during this time of chaos. I look forward to seeing each and every one of you on Wednesday. Till then, see you, Titans.